Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Viva's Kitchen, where so heavily recipes are made. Today I want to share with you how I achieved this simple yet extremely delicious melt in the mouth oven baked rich chips that you love. So stay tuned and let me share with you my amazing recipe, which I'm sure you're gonna love. Now check this out. This is so rich, so flaky, so melt in the mouth. It's not hard. You love it, okay? So let's begin. Without further ado, in a bowl, I'm adding my flour, and next I'm going ahead to add my baking powder, next my powdered onion, next nutmeg powder, next sugar, and next I'm adding salt to taste. And finally, milk powder. Okay, so after that, I'll just mix everything together until well combined, and I'll create a well in the middle, and then add my butter. Okay, then I'll just mix everything together just like so until everything is well combined. Lovelies, I'll leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below, okay? So make it a point to check it out, okay? So after combining everything, this is how the texture should be. It should be crumbly. So next I'm adding my evaporated milk, and next I'm adding my egg. And lovelies, I'll add some more milk, okay? Just like so. And after that, I'll just mix everything together with my clean hand. You can as well use your spatula. It is all fine. So I'll mix everything together until a dough is formed. Lovelies, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. And also do me a favor by recommending this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. So now our dough is formed. I'll just go ahead and wrap the dough in a cling foam, just like so. Beautiful. This smells so good. So after that, I'll just leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes and I'll come back and work on it. So we are back after 30 minutes and I'm putting the dough on an already flour dusted work surface, just like so. And now I'm cutting the dough into two, and I'll use half of the dough for the chips and the other half for my pie later on, okay? So now let's use our rolling pin to roll on the dough to get a very smooth crust, just like so. So now I'm turning the crust over to also roll on the other side as well. And now, lovelies, I love the thickness of the dough, so it's fine. Beautiful. This smells amazing. You love the recipe. It's so basic, so simple, but the taste, lovelies, in here is amazing. I'm so blown away. So now I'm using my pizza cutter to cut the edges of the crust, just like so. Obviously, the edges do not look fine, so that's why I'm cutting them out. All right, so now we've got the fine crust. Now let's cut it horizontally, just like so. Beautiful. Yeah, you can also use your knife and it's going to be fine. So we are all done cutting it horizontally. It's now time to cut across it or to cut it vertically. And I'm using a different tool. Here is it. Beautiful. You can as well use the same pizza cutter or knife and it's fine. But it's what I'm going for. Beautiful. Amazing. If it's your first time here, lovelies, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, okay? Next, lovelies, let's separate the pieces of crust from each other, just like so. Lovely so far. If you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Yeah, don't forget to also recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. All right. So far, I like the designs, and there are a lot of tools out there that you can buy to make any shape and design of your choice. So now we are all done, and now let's bring it up close for us to see. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. I love the shape and I love the design. So nice and simple. My oven is preheating, so I'm just going to put everything in the oven for the chips to bake nicely. However, you can fry them if you like, but today the option is to oven bake them. And here we are back after a few minutes, and look at that. So nice and beautiful. Lovelies, you need to be here in my kitchen. I love the flavor and I love the magical aroma. So I'm turning everything over and I'll send them back into the oven to be baked nicely. So we are back after a few minutes. Check them out. They are amazingly done. Some are golden, some are brown, but the most important thing is the flavor is so magical and the aroma is so heavily lovely. This is a must-try recipe, and I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Lovelies, this is a must-try recipe, so don't just watch the video, okay? Try this out and thank me later. So next, I preserve it in a tight container and check this out again. You love it. So rich, so delicious, so flaky, and so melt in the mouth. It's not hard at all. You will love it. So I also use the other half of the dough to make pie for my kids. And you can tell this pie is so rich, delicious, and so flaky. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Mwah. Kiss. Bye.